Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a very repeatedly asked question by the students. What is the difference between liquor and liqueur? I will try my level best to put you in the most simplest manner so that you can understand this. So first of all, we will take the term liquor. That is the Liquor. So liquor is a distilled beverage. It is a spirit. So we can say all our whiskey, vodka, gin, tequila, rum, they are liquor. This is the technical definition. But it can be replaced as an alcoholic beverage also in so many places. That is why there is a confusion. Like some people say, do you have the liquor license? So they are asking, do you have license to serve alcohol over here? So liquor, in technical words, it is the spirits. So for example, this is the Bacardi, this is the white rum, and it is a liquor. So it is simple as that. Here we have this glass. These are I made for you to understand easily. So I will pour this here. So this is the liquor, and it is made by the distillation process. Here we have, this is the liquor, Liquor. What is liqueur now? Liqueur. There is nothing very special about this liqueur. There is the base spirit, which can be whiskey, vodka, rum, gin, tequila, plus added flavor, and there is some more sugar in it. There is extra additional sugar added in it. So from the same Bacardi, we can have in this glass. So this is the base spirit here. This is the base spirit. It is also made in same manner, and then you can add different flavor. Maybe it is apple, or it can be orange, or it can be even chocolate. You can add some chocolate, and you can have some banana. There are different flavors of liquors, and here we have coffee also. So we have the coffee beans we can add in this. So this is the base spirit and some fruits here. Okay, some fruits, it can be fruit, it can be nut like almond, pistachio, any other nuts, and plus this is the sugar. So I will add some sugar cubes in this. So this is your liqueur. Liqueur might have sugar, or it may have glycerol or glycerine, which gives the body little bit heavier body. It makes it heavier body, and it makes it sweet also. So I'm not saying that the liqueur is made in this manner. Liqueur is made, of course, it is by steeping and by boiling with the fruits, and then filtration to make it crystal clear. But this picture will help you to understand what is liqueur. So whenever anybody asks you about the liqueur, this can be the definition, that it has the base liquor, the spirit which we have added, that is Bacardi. So either it can be rum also, it can be whiskey, it can be vodka, it can be neutral spirit also, it can be anything, plus added flavor. It can be orange, banana, apple, coffee, chocolate, anything, plus sugar. So this is your liqueur, and this is your liquor. It is just the spirit. Technically it is just a spirit. Then we have another term, that is the flavored liquor. Then what is the flavored liquor? So you add the spirit in it. This is our liquor, and you can add any flavor. That's the flavor. So you add with the flavor. Now this is the flavored liquor. We did not add sugar in this, and the flavor is less as compared to this. You need to understand why these liqueurs are made. These liqueurs are made to be used in the cocktail. So they have very strong flavors, because they have to flavor a large quantity, like 100 ml or 120 ml quantity of the cocktail. They have to flavor it, but this will be drunk on its own. You will add the ice and drink it. So the flavor in this is less. Flavor in liqueur is very, very high, very, very strong. This is the difference. So for example, this is the liquor and this is the flavored liquor. So they have just added the black currant into this absolute. This is the absolute blue, this is the regular absolute without any flavor, and this is with added flavor of currant. So this we call the flavored liquor. So accordingly, we have the Fireball whiskey. They have added some cinnamon in it. Some apple vodka is there. Vodka absolute has a long range of black currant, citrus. There are different flavors of vodka. So they are just the flavored liquor. Then similar thing we have, that is the bitter. So what is the bitter? Bitter also has the base of spirit. We have the spirit base, and we can have the herbs. It is actually botanicals. It has different type of botanicals, so many herbs, and in order to call it bitter, it must be bitter. So to make it bitter, I will add here bitter gourd. I'm not saying that it is made of bitter gourd, but it is just for you to remember, that you will remember this picture, that bitter has to be bitter, and it doesn't have any sweetness, and it adds a flavor same as we add the salt, and it gives a different boost of the flavor. So same way, this bitter also give a boost of flavor to the some of the cocktails. So in cocktail we use it as a salt of the cocktail, so it balance the flavor of the cocktail. So these are the four different alcoholic beverage which you might have confusion. So all four are made of base spirit. So spirit is same. It is not only the rum, which I have added rum here. It can be, as I said, it can be vodka, whiskey, it can be just neutral spirit also, but they all have the spirit, and plus they have the, like in liqueur there is a fruit, chocolate, different flavors. There are n number of flavors can be added into the liqueur, plus the sugar is added into that. But liqueur is mainly made, 80% of liqueurs are made to flavor the cocktails, not to be drink on its own. That is why their flavor is very strong, and they are quite syrupy also. Then we have the flavored liquor, which is just the liquor with some added flavor in it, nothing else. And then we have the bitters. Basically they are the liquor with some botanicals, with some herbs, roots, flowers, barks, and they must be bitter. They are added into the cocktail. So thank you so much. Still, if you have any confusion or question, you can write in the comment below, and I would like to know whether my technique of explaining different drinks was successful or not. Thank you so much for listening.